How to use secret conversations in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Messenger application on your device. Next, tap on the profile that you want to have a secret conversation with. So as you tap on the profile of this person, just tap on their name again. So as you tap on the profile, you'll be able to see there are different options over here. So here you can see there's no option to use secret conversation. So we're going to go back to the Play Store and then search if we have a latest version of Messenger application. So let's search for Messenger. And here it says we have an updated version of the Messenger application. So clearly this shows that this feature is not available in this device or this region. So you'll have to wait for it. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.